it has a large capacity for a 23 quart fridge. It can hold up to 9 bottles of wine, 20 bottles of water, and 32 cans. As you can see, the BougeRV fridge fits really well in between our seats. We don't usually get access to the back of our living habitat, so having our snacks readily available is extremely helpful. It is super quiet, which is really important living in a tiny space, and it cooled down shockingly fast after powering it up. So then you don't have to worry about your food going bad. Cheese, anyone? Or road trips, barbecues, taking inside a tiny camper, and even campfires.